This is why you never invite Mount Etna to a quiet night in. One minute it's chill, the next, boom. It's got more drama than a reality TV reunion. So Mount Etna's had a proper meltdown, launching a mega ash cloud straight into the sky. Talk about making an entrance. Locals got an instant ash shower, and the alerts are flying faster than a kookaburra on Red Bull. Nature's reminder: never trust a sleeping giant, mate. If you reckon your week's wild, Etna just raised the bar again.